Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we enable dial pad tone setting in your Samsung phone. Friends, you want to enable guys your dial pad tone. So what is dial pad tone? First of all, I will tell you. So as you can see guys, when we enter a number in our dial pad tone, so by how this sound is not working now. Hence we want to on guys this tone setting. So by how can you on means how to enable dial pad tone in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So first of all guys, you will have to click on guys your phone setting to enable this dial pad tone. Then guys scroll it. Hence you can see sound and vibration setting. Then tap here. Again scroll. System sound and vibration control setting guys. You can see in your Samsung phone guys. Click here. Hence you can see guys your dialing keypad. So once you want to means enable again right side tap here to enable your dial pad tone setting. So you can see if you use this dial pad. So friends you can see. So you can use your dial pad tone setting like that you can enable in your Samsung phone dial pad tone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.